Hello, Empoy. Alam mo to si Empoy, lagi kami may magkasama nito pagka magkakasama kami sa party. Nag-one-on-one kami nito kasi talagang idol ko to pa. I'm so happy for Empoy's success.
Team.
At saka, so marami ka mga bagong films ngayon na pansin ko.
Yes, and now still now showing. Kaka-showing lang pala with Miss Christine Reyes, Kidnap for Romance, directed by Victor Villanueva under Viva Films.
Wow, with Christine. And Christine is such a good actress.
Yes.
Sarap kasama niyan.
Sobra. Sinabi mo pa.
Empoy, for a preview ball, how do you prepare?
Yes, I prepare myself with breakfast, prayers, and
Basta kumain ka, pwede na yan. Oo.
Hindi, gusto kong pasalamatan team yung aking kaibigan dito sa industriya, si Sir Manny Halasan sa aking suit. Yan.
Akala ko si Manny Kalayan eh. Oo. Si Manny Alasan na gumasot mo.
Sir Man, salamat, thank you.